So once again, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And again, happy birthday to our dear Tita Kalay and Tita Ana. Once again, my name is Doreen, and we have Ron here on guitars. While all of you are enjoying your dinner, allow us to keep you guys in the background, and we're gonna play a couple of songs for everybody tonight. Again, welcome to Kaloy and Anna's 60th birthday celebration.